Many things in life have a specific order of events that they occur in. For instance, a green, creepy, crawly caterpillar eventually cocoons itself and later emerges as a beautiful butterfly. In math, we also have a specific way to simplify and solve expressions and equations. This is known as the order of operations. Let's take a look at the steps involved when using the order of operations to simplify the problem 20 divided by 10 minus 8 plus 2 squared times 4. We have an acronym, PEMDAS, to help remind us of these steps. The P represents the first step, which is to solve the parentheses. Notice this problem has 10 minus 8 inside of the parentheses. If we subtract 10 minus 8, we get a difference of 2. It is highly suggested that you rewrite your problem after each step so that your work stays nice and organized. After solving our parentheses, our problem is now 20 divided by 2 plus 2 squared times 4. Now that we have solved the parentheses, we can move on to step 2, which is represented by the E in PEMDAS. The E stands for exponents. Our problem does have exponents, 2 squared or 2 to the second power. Remember that our exponent of 2 means that we are multiplying 2 by itself twice, or 2 times 2, which is 4. Since we completed another step, let's rewrite our problem. Now we have 20 divided by 2 plus 4 times 4. The next step in the order of operations is represented by the M and D, which means multiply and divide. It is important to note that you are multiplying and dividing from left to right. Multiplication does not have to occur before division. Looking at our problem from left to right, we're going to divide 20 by 2 first. The dividend of 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now we can rewrite our problem, 10 plus 4 times 4. We are still on the step of multiplying and dividing from left to right. If you look at our problem, you will see that we do have some multiplication left, 4 times 4. When we multiply 4 times 4, we end up with a product of 16. Now our problem is 10 plus 16. The last step in the order of operations is represented by the A and S in PEMDAS, which stands for adding and subtracting. Just like the M and D, we add and subtract from left to right, and addition does not have to be completed before subtraction. The only thing left to do in our problem is to add 10 plus 16, which is 26. Let's try one more problem. 18 minus 6 times 2 squared plus 7. Remember to use the order of operations when solving this expression. Again, the first step in the order of operations is to solve the parentheses. In this problem, we have more than one operation to solve inside of our parentheses. When this happens, you follow the order of operations inside the parentheses. You'll notice that there's not another set of parentheses or exponents inside of the parentheses, so we will start with multiplication. 6 times 2 is 12, and 18 minus 12 is 6. Now our problem is 6 squared plus 7. Since we completed the parentheses, we can move on to the next step, which is exponents. 6 squared, or 6 times 6, is equal to 36. Because there's no multiplication or division, we can move on to the addition and subtraction step. 36 plus 7 equals 43, which is our answer.